I want to talk to you about a recent tax tribunal case that's really important if your company is working in education and wants to claim R&D tax credits. A company called M&C Educational Training Services just lost their appeal for R&D tax credits, and the case is a perfect example of a mistake we see companies make all the time. So what did M&C do? They developed innovative metallurgy courses and e-learning platforms. They filled a genuine gap in the UK market. No other institution was offering this type of training. They had endorsements from professional bodies, and industry experts praised their work. All of this sounds like innovation, right? That's what they thought too. But the tribunal disagreed, and here's why. M&C was teaching existing metallurgical knowledge in innovative ways. They weren't discovering new science or technology. The advance was in education, not in metallurgy itself. And here's the thing, social sciences, including education, are explicitly excluded from R&D tax relief. To paraphrase the tribunal decision, developing innovative ways of educating workers with existing knowledge does not mean you've made an advancement in the relevant field of science itself. So here's the critical distinction you need to understand. Teaching what's already known, even in brilliant new ways, equals educational innovation, which isn't the same as R&D. Discovering what wasn't previously known, that's potentially R&D. For example, an online course about machine learning, even with all the bells and whistles, that's not R&D in computer science. You're teaching existing concepts. But developing a genuinely new machine learning algorithm that solves a problem that couldn't be solved before, that could be R&D. Now, can educational technology projects ever qualify? Yeah, but only if you're advancing the technology itself, not just using the technology to teach. And even then, the R&D would be in software development or AI, for example, and not in education. The bottom line, if you're developing educational content, be very careful about what you claim. If you're unsure whether your activities qualify, we can help. Check out our full blog post with more detail on the M&C case and what that means for your claims.